Welcome back to Oli's Treats. Today I'll be showing you how to make delicious, light, and super easy mini pavlovas that you can make for this Memorial Day weekend. This dessert is crunchy on the outside, marshmallowy on the inside, with a slightly tart center. It also has a light whipped cream topping that perfectly balances out the flavors. First, we will need to separate out 3 eggs. We will only need the whites for this recipe. Once we have all the whites in the bowl, we can start beating them. We want to continue beating the eggs till we have soft to medium peaks. Once we have the peaks, we can start adding in our white sugar. We want to continue beating this till we have stiff peaks. And once we have the stiff peaks, we are going to squeeze in half a lime. After that, we will add in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. This will help stabilize the egg whites. After that, we are ready to put our meringue into our piping bag. Now we are ready to add our meringues. We basically want to make little baskets out of these meringues because we will be adding our strawberry puree in the center. Once we are finished piping these, we are going to put them into the oven on 225 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. After they are done baking, you need to turn off the oven and leave them in there for another half hour. If you skip this part, you may have cracked meringues in the end. While the meringue is baking, we are ready to make our strawberry puree. We will need about 8 to 10 strawberries. We will need to cut these into small slices. Once you are finished slicing the strawberries, we need to put them in the saucepan with 1 tablespoon of butter. We need to saute these for about 5 to 8 minutes. The strawberries will start to break down as you cook them. Once that is finished, take it off the oven and let it cool. Next, we are going to make our whipping cream. In a bowl, you're going to add in 1/2 cup of heavy cream with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then you will beat it on low to medium speed till you get stiff peaks. Once that is finished, we are ready to assemble our pavlovas. First, remove the pavlovas from your baking tray. Next, we are going to add in our strawberry puree filling in the center. After you have the strawberry puree in the center, we are going to top it off with the whipped cream. And for your garnish, you can add any fruit of your choice. I decided to use strawberries and blueberries because of Memorial Day weekend. And that is how you make these delicious and beautiful pavlovas. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys found this video fun and helpful. If you have any suggestions of what I should make in the next video, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.